Okay, let's try this last question here in the parabola-hyperbola question here. And it says, for which values of x will g of x be less than 0? Well, g is the parabola, and that means g of x. It means where will the y values become negative? Well, they're positive right here, but after they go past 0, this is negative. That's negative y values, and it's still negative. It's negative, it's negative, but right at -4, it becomes positive. So where is it negative? Between 0 and -4. You got two ways you can write it. X is less than 0 or greater than -4. Don't put a line underneath it because there's no line. It's not equal. But you can write it like this. And notice I didn't use square brackets. It's rounded. So this means exactly the same as this. Everything in between -4 and 0. This is called interval notation. Now it says, where is the product of g and f greater than or equal to 0? Well, let's take a look at right here. Just stop right here. There's a positive value. There's a positive value. Two positives multiplied together would be greater than or equal to 0. If they both equal 0, it works. And on this side, they're both negative. So anywhere except, not at -2, because one of the functions doesn't even exist. I'd say anywhere greater than -2 will satisfy this thing. Now, but what about this side? Oh, that's negative, but that's positive. That's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's not going to work, but it'll work at -4 because it's 0 there. But it'll work at -4, and then on this side, they're both positive. So it feels like anything greater than -2 or x is less than or equal to -4. And I don't know if they didn't write it in interval. You could write that in interval notation as well. But there's that question done.